Hi everyone. Today's video is for people who are interested in academic writing or content writing kind of jobs, and this is a work from home job, and the company's name is SSSi. This is an Indian company based in Noida, and the company offers work from home academic writing opportunities. So if you're interested to join as an academic writer, you can check out the website, and now here is the website. Here it says join SSSi today and start your career with academic writer jobs. Work from home. Gain access to a wealth of academic content writing jobs. Work from home. So you may be aware that as an academic writer, you will be required to write content or essays or research papers. This is mainly to help students who are pursuing their colleges or writing their thesis or pursuing their PhDs, etc. As an academic writer, you will be helping those students to complete their assignments or essays or research papers. As an academic writer, you first need to select the subject of your choice, and then accordingly you can get the assignments in your selected subject. And now here is the list of subjects that you can expect to work upon. Here we provide academic content writing work from home jobs in following domains. So here are the subjects, and this is like engineering, so all streams of engineering have been listed here. Then finance. Under finance, there are multiple streams listed, and then management is like marketing, operational management, supply chain management, human resource management, strategic management, project management, MS project, management of information system, and then for law, so different streams are there. Then accounting, and science is there. For science, like you can opt for biological sciences, physical sciences, earth and space sciences, astronomy, and then crystallography, chemistry, nanotechnology, and polymer science, atmospheric science, and meteorology. And here other subjects include actuarial sciences, actuarial studies, agricultural science, clinical audiology, corporate governance, cultural heritage, entrepreneurship, hydrology, journalism, Mahara, then music, real estate, statistics is there, then arts and humanities subjects are there, and it includes anthropology, early childhood, environmental studies, gender studies, environmental science, geography, intercultural studies, social work, liberal arts, modernism, and phytogeography. And here programming languages are there, so all kind of programming languages are there that you can opt from. And then designing software, medicine, so under medicine you can opt for animal science, botany, dental science, clinical biochemistry, pediatric cosmology, medical radiology, etc. And then under healthcare you can opt for administer and monitor aged care, ambulatory care plan, COPD, genomics, and health promotion, human nutrition, infertility nursing, mental health, etc. So there is a huge list of subjects that the company is offering, and accordingly, as per your interest and knowledge, you can opt any of these subjects, and accordingly you will be getting the assignments on your selected subjects. Now here the company has listed that until now it has delivered around 90,000 projects. It has 750 plus certified experts and 50,000 plus satisfied clients and 150 plus subject domains. And here are some of the writers that the company has listed. Okay. Now here it is written that get enrolled and start your online freelance academic writing expert journey today. So here are some of the frequently asked questions that we can check out to get more clear. So here it is written that what types of writing projects are available on SSSi in work from home academic content writing jobs. So as we have seen that they have diverse range of writing projects in different subjects that includes like content writing, academic writing, copywriting, editing, proofreading, and others. And project spans Projects span various industries and niches, allowing writers to explore different topics and expand their skills. And so here it is written, how do I get paid for my work on SSSi? So here, like, payment processes vary depending on the project and client preferences. SSSI supports payment methods including direct bank transfer, PayPal, and other secure payment platforms. Writers receive payment upon successful completion and approval of their work. So you can expect transfer of fund through like direct bank transfer or PayPal or other mode of payments. So here, like, how do I ensure the quality of my work in an academic content writer work from home job? So SSSI values quality and professionalism and provides guidelines and resources to help writers deliver high quality work. Writers are encouraged to communicate closely with clients, adhere to project requirements, conduct through research, and utilize best practices in writing and editing. Are Are there opportunities for career growth and advancements on SSSI? So the company offers opportunities for writers to showcase their skills, build their reputation, and attract more clients over time. Writers can receive client feedback and ratings, participate in training and development programs, and leverage the platform to network and with other professionals in the industry. So here also, can I work on SSSI part-time or full-time for freelance academic writing work from home? So here they have said that the company offers flexibility, allowing writers to work either part-time or full-time according to their preferences and availability. Whether you are looking to supplement your income with freelance work or pursue writing as a full-time career, SSSI accommodates various work arrangements. So it is up to you. You can choose either like part to work as a part-time or full-time. And so yeah, so this was it for the academic writing opportunity. If you really wish to work as an academic writer or content writer, check it out. And here is the application, and you can provide your name, email ID, and if you wish to work as a full-time or freelance, and then if you are an experienced person or fresher, and then here are the enter tools or software, and then primary subjects. That you can opt a primary subject and then secondary subjects, and then upload your resume and start earning here. So this is a simple form, and if you are interested, go ahead and check out all the details. And if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.